Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to make a beautiful bow design. These are perfect for gift wrapping. So we are going to roll the ribbon on 4 fingers and tie a knot at the center. Cut it from the side and it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful decor piece at home using paper. So fold this red craft paper and draw this design on the top of it using pen or marker. Cut all of them, open it and cut it at the center. Make two such design and tug it from the center part. And look, it's ready. You can also paste a hanging and tassel. So cut small pieces of the egg crate and color it using this red color. Paste the googly eyes and look, your dragon is ready. Now we are going to cut small pieces of the straw and put all of them one after another using a thread and look, it's ready. So peel out the orange skin. We are going to make a beautiful craft for kids. Here we are going to make a kettle. So paste all of them together and look, your cup and kettle is ready. You can get these type of elements from market and tap it inside the cardboard like this and look, the house is ready. Similar way we are adding more details like Santa Claus and Christmas tree and look, your beautiful model is ready. Draw a circle on this red craft paper. Now draw a spiral inside it. Cut all of them and look, it's ready. We are going to make a face like this. Draw the eyes and paste it on the top of it. Paste a stick as well and look, your beautiful fun craft is ready for playing. We're going to make multiple fold on this red craft paper. Press it and draw the shape on the top of it using marker. Cut it like we're doing here. Cut it at the center. Make two such pieces and paste it. Make a circle and look, it's ready. You can also add tassels and hanging. We are going to make multiple cut on this plastic bottle and blow a balloon inside it. Close it from the top using bottle. Now we are going to make a reindeer shape. So paste it on the top of it. Paste the eyes and look, it's ready. You can also put a tassel and hanging. A beautiful hanging decor piece is ready. We're going to make a Chinese dragon craft. So we're going to tear these colorful papers and paste it on this double-sided tape. Now we are going to cut the head and tail of the dragon, color it and paste it like we're doing here. Look, your fun craft is ready. Going to make a very fun craft today using craft paper. So take a paper cup. Now we are going to paste the eyes of the dragon like this and look, it's ready. You can also put a tail at the back of the paper cup. You can also put a hanging and it's ready. We're going to make the powder of the chalk and put some water. After this, we're going to make two circles. Now we are going to keep it aside and remove this pink color of chalk powder. Press it as well and we're going to put it at the center of these two circles. We are making cake here. After this, we're going to make more such designs and decorate the cake. Put all of them on the top of it and look, your beautiful chalk artwork is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.